Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about Samsung 8.51 UI update. We are talking about the tweaks, the status bar, the calculator, the contact. We're also going to talk about the lights. So there's a new update on the lights. We're going to talk about different types of things in this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into the video. We're going to break down the drop down menu to show you how it works. So first of all, we're going to bring down the drop down menu. Then we're going to click on the pencil icon first. Then we're going to adjust this. I'm going to show you how it works. Can you see? You can adjust it how you want. You can adjust it from different angles. I just want to do it as brief as possible. So the next one, we're going to go into gallery. Can you see? It's an exchange. It's like a floating menu. And we're going to, can you see, once you have, like the first picture that you snap is going to be pulled over there. Then we're going to enter into contact. Can you see this floating? On the other one, we're going to go down and go to settings. First of all, once you go to settings, you're going to go down, click on this thing, and let me show you. This is a Samsung One UI 8.5. Then let's go to device gear. Click on the setting. You can see the new update, intelligence blocking. It's very useful. It's a new update from this One UI 8.5. And let's go to the contact. Can you see this finish? That means you can click on someone. You can use their picture or use their something like avatar or emoticons, any type of thing you want to use in that particular stuff. Can you see the floating search bar? Is different compared to 8.0. It looks very clean and minimal. Now to the other one, you're going to go down a little bit. Can you go to battery? Let me show you how the battery looks. It comes with different options. Can you see how it looks? So it comes, I don't know whether this particular one is in 8.0, but I believe this is a new update. I don't know. So they can remove and show battery icon if you want it. So, and the setup is different compared to 8.0. Can you see? They look very different. Now let's show you about the torchlight. In the 8.0, when you have the torchlight, it doesn't come with pop-up. But right now, it comes with pop-up. You can click on off. Once you click on off, it's going to off the light. It's very intuitive and I like it. So you can see, you can swap the left from the notification bar. See, quick pan, you can swap the left to right. So the notification bar will come to the right, the other side will come to the left side. Let me show you an example. Now remove it. Can you see? This is on the left side and this is on the right side. This is on the right side and this is on the left side. So can you see? So it depends on what you want. You can swap it. I don't know whether this is still in 8.0, but it's now in 8.5. It depends on the person. It works for people if you are left-handed or right-handed, or if you like that type of style. I recommend it for you. On the other hand, I'm going to show you different things. First, I'm going to show you the calculator. Can you see the new update from the calculator? It looks very nice. Once you update it, it's not going to be like this. It looks different. So I'm going to click on this icon at the top. Not this one, sorry. I'm going to click on this one. So immediately open it, comes like this. This is a scientific calculator. Let's go to clock. As you can see, it comes with different settings. It comes with different UI. The UI looks very different and minimal. Can you see? Even the alarm, everything has been updated. They look clean and soft. Don't know whether to call it soft. So let's check the other one. Let's check on the. What are we going to check now? I can't even recall what we are going to check now. What are we going to check now? Supposed to check. Okay, can you see? If you click on you can see that lockdown menu. If you click on the volume down with power button, it's going to bring it up. Can you see? Can you see the new 2 option? Once you click on both of them, it's going to bring the update. It looks nice and easier. And let's go to, let's search what are we even searching for? So let's search speaker. So this one is about if you are typing, your speaker will be speaking what you are typing. Speak inputs. Once you are speaking, your speaker will be typing anything that you are typing. Once you are typing, your speaker will be speaking anything you are typing loudly. It looks very nice. It's very good. So what again? Now let's go on display. On display, you have a keep your screen on. I don't know what this one is in 8.0. I can't recall, but I can see this one in this 8.5 update. I can't remember all the update there, but this is the few that I'm showing you. So if you know anyone, or if you can recall anyone, you can drop it on the comment section.